She wants the treats.
I wouldn't say nothing if I were you.
Your cat's so cute.
You're like, gimme.
Oh, my drug!
Eat the treat, not my hand, Jesus Christ.
You're like, eat the treat, not my hand.
Hey, Lucinda, give them their drug. They need their catnip.
Hi, weirdo.
What?
Hi, weirdo. Hey! No flipping the camera off.
What?
Oh,
You
you,
gotta do one better watch that.
Damn, Smokey just gobbled them things up like it wasn't nothing.
Yo, run.
Hey, it's a new middle finger thing. Lisa,
Meow.
it's called cloud finger.
Hey! Watch.
That's
Smokey.
really fucked up, isn't it?
Hi, girl.
Watch. I was like, dude, one better for you. I was like,
Hi, Giddy.
Where's the treats, man?
Yeah, she's like, give me more treats.
You aren't getting no more treats.
For once, instead of flipping the camera off, say hi or something.
Hey, Lucinda.
I'm shocked. Because a long time ago, you kept saying, fuck you, camera. Remember that video?
Wow.
I guess not.
oh, really now? Okay.
Come on.
You're asking for it.
Not too hard.
Slap Morgan.
And I'm scared too. Hey, you can't. You can't do that. He's cheating. Can't do that.
It's a bad spot. You won't see the water until the
Wait, I gotta slap you again.
keep it down to what you're
Wait!
Talk to me.
You gotta be fair. Let her slap you.
Dude, that shit is muffled.
I don't care.